So the solar panels are getting this solar energy from the bottom.
Yeah, because that's the direction the sun is, correct.
So it radiates off the bottom, and those are the things that protect it. And we see how all those, we see how
all the layers, yeah.
Amazing.
And it's specifically tuned anything in the whole universe.
How do we know how?
No, just one word. Just say anything.
We see how. How do we know how?
No, just one word. Just say it. As we will forever.
I read an article.
That's my soundbite for the Big Bang.
It's good. We see. I understand that you're simplifying it, but I don't understand.
Simplified it in the sense that
we see are way easier to just send to space.
I spent a whole section in this book, but what was I talking about?
Well, have you paid attention to some of the new research that's being done about how trees communicate with each other?
I'll get to that. Yeah, I'll get to that. That's in. But what was I talking about?
They release plant defense chemicals.
I'm getting there. All I'm saying is, but what was I talking about?
The material world. What we're talking about is actual physical objects, right? It's like if you could bring
physical world,
back
the physical
something.
universe,
the physical. We're what the physical. We're what we see how.
But what was I talking about?
What do you mean by that? Part of an objective reality.
An objective reality. So here's an example.
A pretty ridiculous experiment to try to achieve.
If you care, wait. Pause. From ridiculous experiment.
So like, hey, I know this guy's about to die, but instead of concentrating on bringing him back to life, let's write down on a piece of paper and leave it on the show. But who the fuck is going to do that?
No, you know what they did?
What?
In 1895? But what was I talking about? I thought that was an admirable attempt.
Yes,
to make a measurement.
Yeah, that's interesting. But,
yes.
But how would you possibly know that someone is going to die and or have a near-death experiment?
A
near-death experience, rather, and then put a piece of paper on a shelf.
What you want to do?
And we see how.
But what was I talking about?
Yeah.
And if you want to do this en masse,
you'd have to just like have shelves in every bedroom,
in every room
of every ER.
Every ER.
How often does that happen where people have above their body experience?
The brain is capable of so much extraordinary thought within
I'm just saying that you're simplifying it, but I don't understand.
Simplified in the sense